Welcome back. The High Court has cancelled anticipatory bail of Congress leader Jitendra Deshprabhu in Korgao illegal mining case. The court has also cancelled anticipatory bail of suspended senior geologist Hector Fernandes and suspended director of mines Arvind Lolienkar. High Court has given 4 weeks time to all the accused to challenge this order before the Supreme Court.
The High Court on Wednesday cancelled the anticipatory bail of Congress leader Jitendra Deshprabhu, suspended director of mines Arvind Lolienkar and suspended senior geologist Hector Fernandes in connection with Korgao illegal mining case. The District and Sessions Court had granted the anticipatory bail. While challenging the order of Sessions Court before the High Court, investigating agency Crime Branch contended that accused are not cooperating in investigation and hence investigation is pending. Crime Branch also stated that statements of more than 200 witnesses have been recorded in this case and the statements need to be corroborated with the accused, hence their custodial interrogation is required. In reply, defense side contended that due to political rivalry, second FIR was registered in this case. Earlier, one FIR was filed and Jitendra Deshprabhu was asked to pay fine of about 50 crore rupees. But to send Deshprabhu behind the bars, second FIR was registered with added allegations. Public prosecutor contended that even after registration of first FIR, Deshprabhu continued illegal mining in nexus with suspended senior geologist Hector Fernandes and suspended director of mines Arvind Lolienkar. Though the High Court has cancelled anticipatory bail of leader Jitendra Deshprabhu and other 2 accused, it has given 4 weeks time to challenge this order before the Supreme Court. Till then, they cannot be arrested. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Monte Music Festival is here. The 12th Monte Music Festival 2014 will be held from 7 to 9 February at the Chapel of Our Lady of Mount in Old Goa. The festival is organized by Fundação Orient and Cidade de Goa.
During 3 days, 3 programs of Eastern and Western music, mostly Indian music from many parts of India, different sorts of music and dance as well. We always start at 6 p.m. and it's sharp. We start at the time that is mentioned in the program because we have to enjoy the sunset and the sun is not waiting for us. So it.
As every year we have the Month Music Festival again commencing from the 7th to the 9th of February 2014 and set in a very idyllic environment and picturesque month. This festival has become like one of the event which is in the calendar of every year. We as Cidade de Goa have always been front runners and pioneers in wanting to preserve the tradition, the Goan art scenario, the music scenario, the folklore scenario of the state, and we don't miss any opportunity to support any such event that is brought onto the table. And with Fundação, our association goes over a decade and we would like to nurture it and see it grow year on year.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.